Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is store.
C5.
Knight F3.
E6.
D8. Store.
C captures on D4.
Knight captures on D8. Store.
Knight C6.
Knight C3.
Queen C7.
Bishop A3.
A6.
Bishop D8. 3.
Knight F6.
Castle's kingside.
Knight E5.
H3.
Bishop C5.
King H1.
D6.
F. Store.
Knight G6.
Queen A1.
Castle's kingside.
F5.
Knight E5.
Queen H. Store.
B5.
Knight C2.
Queen B6.
B. Store.
Bishop captures on B4.
Rook F3.
E captures on F5.
Knight captures on F5.
Queen D8.
Knight captures on G7.
Knight FG4.
Queen captures on D8.
Rook captures on D8.
Bishop B6.
King captures on G7.
Bishop captures on D8.
Knight captures on F3.
G captures on F3.
Knight F2 check.
King H2.
Bishop E6.
Rook G1 check.
King f8.
Bishop f6.
Rook c8.
Knight d8. Sword.
Knight captures on d3.
C. Captures on d8. 3.
Bishop c3.
White g7.
Bishop captures on d4.
Bishop captures on d8. Sword.
King e7.
White captures on h7.
b4.
H. Sword.
Bishop captures on a2.
White g7.
Rook c2. Check.
White g2.
Rook captures on g2. Check.
King captures on g2.
Bishop b1.
h5.
King f8.
a5.
D captures on e5.
Bishop captures on a5.
King e7.
King f2.
King e6.
Bishop c7.
b3.
Bishop a5.
Bishop captures on d3.
Bishop c3.
King d5.
King a3.
King c4.
King d2.
a5.
Bishop f6.
a4.
Bishop b2.
Bishop h7.
Bishop a3.
Bishop f5.
F. Sword.
Bishop h7.
h6.
Bishop g6.
King d1.
King, c3.
King, c1.
Bishop, h7.
If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.